Sa wakas, andito na tayo. Naalala ko pa 7 years ago, after our civil wedding, napag-usapan natin na magpakasal sa simbahan on our silver anniversary. Kumbaga, ipon muna. Pero kay buti talaga ng Panginoon sa atin. Sa halip, andito ako ngayon sa harap ng may kapal at nangangakong ikaw lang ang pakamamahalin habang buhay.
Langga, una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa may kapal, dininig niya ang aking dasal. Sa pamamagitan mo, ang isang pangarap nagkaroon ng katuparan. Noon, pinapangarap ko lamang na ikasal sa simbahan sa taong pinakamamahal ko. Ngayon, andito na tayo sa harap ng altar.
Pasensya ka na kung minsan mainitin ang ulo ko. Pero salamat sa iyo dahil palagi mo akong iniintindi at nilalambing. Certified Ilongga ka nga. Salamat Lord, with your blessings, now I am married to Ilongga, mabait na, gwapa pa. Langga, sa mga araw na napapagod ako sa trabaho at ibang bagay, pakatatandaan mo na hindi ako mapapagod sa iyo. Ikaw, si Elo, at ang future na anak natin ang magiging lakas ko.
Binigyan mo ako ng pagkakataong maranasan at magkaroon ng kompletong pamilya na hindi ko kailanman naranasan simula bata pa ako. Pinapangako ko na ikaw lang ang mamahalin ko habang ako'y nabubuhay. Iintindihan kita sa oras na ang hirap mong intindihin, na ikaw lang ang pipiliin sa araw-araw. Hindi man perpekto ang pagsasama natin, may mga pagkukulang man tayo sa isa't isa, sana maging sentro ang Panginoon sa ating relasyon. Mangibabaw yung pagmamahalan at respeto natin.
Ikaw ang katiyakan ko, hindi na ako bibitaw. Ikaw lang kasayaw. Kung meron mang kulay ang aking nagsisilbing tanglaw, ikaw ay dilaw. Such a beautiful night to make a change in our lives. East Anglian sky, empty bottle of wine. I got you by my side, talking about love and life. Oh, how lucky am I when I look in your eyes. What a wonderful way to spend a moment or two. To be lying awake and be here talking to you. I got something to say, I know what I gotta do. To be making a change, now the moment of truth. Why am I feeling so nervous when things are going so perfect? But I know that it's worth it to spend forever with you. And so I count 2, 3 and get on one knee and I ask you, darling, honestly, I've waited all this time just to make it right. So I'll ask you tonight, will you marry me? Just say yes.
Daddy and Mommy, congratulations on your marriage. I am so lucky to have you both as my parents. Thank you for giving me,
Taking care.
taking care of me, and loving me always. And thank you so much for giving me my sibling. I promise to be a good brother and a good son. I love you so much, Daddy and Mommy. Love and
2, 3, and get on one knee and I ask you, darling, honestly, I've waited all this time just to make it right. So I'll ask you tonight, will you marry me? Just say yeah.
Sheena, as we celebrate our special day and take this chance to look back at everything we've shared, I want to know how much happiness you brought to so many moments. Here's to us and here's to the countless reasons why I love you more than ever. Happy anniversary. Love, Jane.
James, I should definitely say it more, but I could never ever say it enough. I love you, and I'm grateful to be sharing this full and happy life with you. Happy anniversary. Hugs and kisses, Sheena. Ako ang magiging sandalan mo. Magkasama nating lalakbayin ang hinaharap, ang mga pangarap pa natin sa buhay. Ikaw lang ang tanging gusto at kailangan. Mamahalin ko ang lahat sa iyo. Ikaw at ako habang buhay.
Mahal na mahal kita, palangga-palangga, takalangga. Mag-aaway lang tayo pero di kailanman maghihiwalay.
I wanna be someone who's fearless, unafraid, someone whose spark inside will never fade away. Today's the day, one step ahead, open the door, right on the edge, we're closer than we've been before. Looking back now, here we are. It's been in us from the start. We could be everything, everything that we've ever dreamed, ever dreamed. We could be everything, and we can go anywhere, do anything, and make somebody, be something. We could be everything we've ever dreamed. I wanna be someone who loves and won't let go, someone who carries on and won't give up hope. I wanna be someone who sees there's something more, somebody who sees we're closer than we've been before. Looking back now, here we are. It's been in us from the start. We could be everything, everything that we've ever dreamed, ever everything that we've ever dreamed.
Ang hinihiling ko lang sa inyo ay magsamahan kayo ng maayos. Kung may sama kayo ng loob, ayusin nyo bago lumubog ang araw.
Do anything and be somebody, be something we could be.